Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to allow websites to save data on your device when using Google Chrome. This quick setting makes your browsing smoother and helps sites remember your preferences, all while keeping you in control. Let's get started. Begin by opening Chrome on your device. Once Chrome is up, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots that's your menu button. From there, select Settings. This is where all your browser's customization options live. Next, scroll down until you find Site Settings. Tap on it. Site settings control what websites can do while you're browsing, like sending notifications or saving small bits of information on your device. It's the hub for managing all your privacy and permission choices. Now, inside Site Settings, look for the option called On-Device Site Data. This setting determines whether sites can store data locally on your phone or computer. When this feature is turned on, it allows Chrome to remember certain things like your login details or site preferences even after you close the browser. It helps web pages load faster and keeps your experience personalized. Tap on On-Device Site Data, and you'll see a switch beside it. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. Once you do, sites you visit will be able to save small pieces of data directly on your device for better functionality.